Hey everyone, my name is Peter Grudzian and I am a biology faculty at Malcolm X College. The Bridges to Baccalaureate program is a collaboration between UIC and City Colleges of Chicago. It is intended for students who are transferring to UIC to work in a cancer-related research lab over the summer, also learn about healthcare disparities and complete a collab, which is a research-based course where students will learn various techniques done in the lab. Also, students will receive a monthly stipend and a scholarship.
This program, we hope to position the trainees, their communities, and their research at the center of discussions about the importance of cancer research, and then also the importance of addressing health disparities in how research is conducted.
It's been very exciting to meet new students and hear about their future goals, and then to watch them discover new avenues of pursuing those goals as they learn more about biomedical research through this program.
So we need you. We need you to be involved in this program. And if you're interested in STEM and want to advance initiatives to biomedical research or clinician or want to do medicine or nursing, this is the program for you. And we're waiting because we desperately need to change the workforce environment. And remember, when it comes to clinical care, that's a workforce we want to diversify as well.
It has been a great experience so far. This is my first semester in the B2B program, and I've been able to connect with other students with similar interests in healthcare and other professionals like researchers and professors who are assisting me on my journey.
Please do feel free to reach out with any questions, and I hope you will consider joining the B2B crew.